Um, I will show you some insight. Hello, today's section is going to be amazing. Like, I am happy telling you about today's section. That tells me that it's going to be awesome, right? It's going to be like, you know, like hello. So, one other thing also is that you're all going to learn how to put businesses on Google Map. There's something called Google Map. So some businesses are not on Google Map. I'll show you what you can do. Like after today's section, hey, gay, gay. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. So and yeah, please. So now in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, actions. So good, everybody. Good at my neighbors. Good at my people. My people, wherever it is you're joining from, my name is Elijah Moses. I'm here again. Yes, I was here with you on Monday. I'm here with you on Tuesday. And now we're here again. Past 12, we're here again. Yo. So, yeah. So, real quick, we're going to have a quick check-in, right? So, real quick check-in. How are you feeling between 1 and 10? Type in the comment section. You know how we do it. You know how we roll. Comment section. That is where we press there. So type between 1 and 10. How are you feeling? If you are feeling very good, you say 10. If you're not feeling very, you can say 1 or 5. And don't worry, before we are done with this section, you're gonna feel so good. I feel good there. So go over to the comment section. Type in there. I'm seeing your section. I can see Beast Chinaza says, I feel so good. I feel a good 10. I feel a good 10. So good. I can see again, Akidoye Akinwale says, feeling so fly. I feel a 10. I feel a 10. I feel a 10. I feel a 10. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I can see okay, let's go. Someone says it feels an 8. 8. James says 8. If you're naive, says 9. That's nice. Adebayo Idowu Omeza says 100. Thank you very much for that. I can see Abigail saying 10 excited. I can see Boniface saying I feel a good 9. I'm feeling a good 9. I can see Abigail again. Abigail Mike is saying I'm feeling a good 10. There was a particular movie where if you watch this movie, Breaking Bad, so there was a guy who took something that was very nice, and he said 10. I'm like, okay, right. So if it's a super good. Yo, Esther Isaac Chidera says, I'm here. I'm feeling 12. Hello, you cannot stop me. I'm here. Hello, Ane Kuku, Ane me talk and do. You are here. I can see. Akindoye says, yes, boss. Eunice says 10. David says 10. Habela Gizo said, I feel 68. 68. I feel very good. Very good. Thank you very much for feeling 68. Right. I'm feeling a 5. You need a lottery exam. Oh, don't mind them. They don't know. You are bigger than the exams. Hello. The exam don't know that you are taking it. Hello, what's up? Don't worry, Joe. Right, you're bigger than the exam. And you being in today's section gives you a bigger advantage over the exam. Remember, at the end of the exam, they give you a certificate. But certificate does not mean you sabificate. Hello, there's sabi and there is sati. So go for the sabi and no, anyways, get both of them together. Thank you. Umar says the fees are 99. My brother, one love. Kai. Now I go shake you. And I can see Aki Emmanuel Okun says I feel good. So yeah, for me, I feel a super 10. I'm very excited. I'm very happy. I'm here again with you all. And every time I get to share with every one of you on this call is an opportunity to communicate an understanding, to communicate knowledge. I want to say big shout out to Scubid Initiative and RLabs Nigeria, making hope contagious. We make hope contagious. And part of the vehicle through which this has been accomplished is through programs like this. And a big shout out to every one of you who, against all odds, you are on this call. Your village people could not stop you. NEPA, if you're in Nigeria, there's something we call NEPA. NEPA. Up NEPA! And yes, you know them very well. Right? NEPA could not stop you. So you are here now. And guess what? Whether it is Glow, Rule Your World, or which one again? MTN, everywhere you go, Airtel, Grandmaster of Data, or whatever it is they could not stop you. So you are connected to the internet. And I'm here with you all today, and I'm excited. Today's section is going to be amazing. Like, just be so excited. I just want to say, I just want to share two major things for every one of you. Please, what I'm going to share with you right now is very important, right? It will help you to be well positioned. It will give you the advantage to ensure that you utilize everything that is being shared throughout the section. And what is that? In every section you go through, every of the section you go through, please, as much as possible, implement one thing. The least, even though it's one thing you can implement, do something with it. Because only when you carry out action on a received information can you convert that information into a tool, right? So information can be a tool only when you apply it, only when you do something with it, right? Only when you try something with it. It doesn't matter how little that thing might look like. Do something with it. Put it to work. Put it to work, right? Use the tools, use the platform, use the systems, right? This is the only way you can internalize information and convert the internalized information into a tool, right? So don't say, I've heard it, now I know it. No, no, no. Do something with it, right? That's number one. Number two, every one of you share the things you are learning on your social media platform. See, people want to see you in the process of learning. And when they see you in the process of learning, you build sufficient social proofs that can establish social connections, social contracts for you, right? So don't just learn everything and then you just go and put out the certificate. I'm thrilled. I'm excited to say, no, no, no. You're only putting out there the finished product. Show people the process. People trust in the process more than the finished product, right? So as much as possible, try to push something out there. Whatever it is you're learning, right? Make it known out there, right? Don't just learn and you get what I mean, right? So you can share on your WhatsApp status, put on your WhatsApp status, hey, I'm learning digital marketing today. I learned this and this today. Now I know how to place businesses on Google Map. Somebody should remember to share that with me, because I said I'm going to show you how to place businesses on Google Map. I'm going to show you some very wonderful things that people don't know yet that they need to know, and that can give you an advantage in the digital marketing space. So without further ado, these are the two things I want you all to take into heart, ensure to do, and ensure to be visible. Are you ready? If you're ready, type in the comment section. Ready, ready, ready. Let me share my screen right now, and we jump into the heart of the matter, which is the matter of the heart. Type in the comment section, ready. So the comment section is how I know that you're engaging with me, you're following up with me. Florence T, don't worry, we're sending you all the healing vibe, all the energy in the universe over to you, and you are strong. Thank you so much, Umar. Thank you so much, Boniface. Thanks so much, Yusuf. Thanks so much, Abigail, saying ready, 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 ready. All right, so let me share my screen right now. So my screen is being shared. My screen is being shared. All right, so in 3, in 2, in 1, action. Can you all see my screen? Please, can you confirm if you can see my screen? My screen. Can you see my screen? Give me a reaction. Give me a thumbs up. Give me something. If you know you can see my screen, then I know that we're good to go. Yeah, ready, 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 ready. So you can see my screen. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So today's section is basically we're looking at this. So don't worry, I have something designed already. I have a slide, right? So we're looking at automated marketing. That means marketing at the scaling level. Because for anything to scale, it needs to be automated. It needs to be monitored. And we're going to explore how you can use AI tools to save time, boost creativity, scale campaigns. And don't worry, by after this section, the next section, you're all going to be exposed to. You're going to learn how to run ads. So Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and maybe 1 or 2 ads with relation to Google. So Google ad, Facebook ad, Instagram ads, how you can run ads that will give you good results, right? So that's the next class. Next class. I know some of you are saying, yes, yes, ads. I've always wanted to learn this. But now today's section is setting that base, giving that understanding of what you can do to give yourself that positioning as tied to either digital marketing or stuff like that. So we're going to learn how you can use AI for trend forecasting, hashtags, how you can generate, certain responses, understand what chatbot is all about and stuff like that. Then I would expose you to some things called prompting, AI prompting. All right. So with that being said, now you have an understanding of what is being shared. Okay. So I'm going to share. I'm going to actually share my presentation slides. Hey, now let me show you guys something. How many of you on this call, you've always wanted to learn a skill, but whenever any of this skill, whether it's digital marketing or any skill, I want to show you something first, then I will head here. You always wanted to learn a skill, but you don't have a grasp of the roadmap on how to learn, right? Just type one if you're that kind of person that, okay, I learn digital marketing, but you also want to learn other skills, but sometimes you don't know where to start from, or whether you should learn this one. In fact, sometimes if you tell somebody, some people will tell you they want to learn a skill, but they don't know where to start from. They don't know how to start from. They don't know what process they should follow, right? Just type in the comment section one. Thank you very much. I can see one. So there's a platform. Now I'm sharing some of the tools you can use. So there's a platform that can enable you know where to start from, right? It's called roadmap.sh. So I'll just take you guys through this and then I get into the conversation for today. So roadmap.sh gives you an end-to-end overview, an end-to-end understanding of where to start from in any tech or non-tech skills, right? So if you look over here, you see a lot of skills, right? Front end, back end, full stack, DevOps, AI engineers, data science, blockchain, cybersecurity, these tech skills, engineering, server, tech skills, right? Game development, tech skills. Now, if you look at the second one, computer science, React, tech skills, design and architecture, design systems, Linux operating systems. These are a lot of like tech skills, right? Front end, back end, and a number of them. Now, maybe you've always wanted to learn any of these tech skills, but you're like, how can you start? Where can you start from? And later on, they plan to add more other skills to enable you guys and anybody out there learn. So there's something called prompt engineering. I want to show you guys prompt engineering because it is part of what you need to know. So if you go to this website, roadmap.sh, I'm going to post it so you can all see it. So you can, yeah, please confirm. I think the call was trying to come in. I believe you can all still hear me, right? Oh, all right. Thank you. So, if you look at this is a roadmap, right? This is a roadmap. So if you come over here, if you click on this system, it shows you where to start from. Can you see? Can everybody see it? So if you click on roadmap.sh, for instance, right? This is a roadmap on how to learn the skill. This is like a structure you can follow. And each of the structure gives you an overview. So if you click on LLM, for instance, that's large language model, it explains it. It gives you access to the tools you can learn from. This saves you, time in learning effort. And it's free. So if you come over here, you want to learn prompt engineering roadmap, step by step, you click on this, you see where to start from introduction, then move into this, you move into this, you move from here. Once you are done, you come into here, how to configure. You move into this, look at the layout, then you move into this, move into this, move into this, like a building block. This is structure. You see, you move into this, you move into this, you move into this, you move into this, you move it. By the end of this section, and going through all this tools, you'll be able to become a solid AI engineer, and you can build AI agents, right? AI agents, right? So there are tools like these that can help you really organize your thoughts around learning, and it's free. So the platform is called roadmap.sh. So go over and you can download it. You can download the structure. You can share it. You can schedule your learning time. You can do anything you want to do, and it's all for free, right? All for free. So that's for that. Now let's go into our marketing section for today, right? So digital marketing training or 1.0, this is week 2 section where we talk about automated marketing with AI. What is automated? It means little or no human supervision, little or no human effort. When something is automated, it is going on free pilot, right? It's going on free pilot, right? That's what it means to be automated, right? So if I ask you, for instance, Um, any, right now, your breathing is automated. How many of you are trying to breathe? You're like, now, if you are using efforts to breathe, we will pray for you, right? But you are breathing, right? In fact, you're not even aware that you are breathing. Some of you are not aware that you're breathing. You're just breathing. It's automated. You see, little or no human effort, but the exercise, the activity can be carried out. That is automated, right? So the same thing with digital marketing tools. You use these tools to automate your marketing activities with little or no human supervision, right? So that is what it means. All right. So give me a minute. All right. So that is what it means to automate. Now let's move on. Okay. Now we are in an age of automated technologies, automated intelligence. We're in an age of speed, right? Speed is no longer a luxury. Speed is a competitive advantage. The ability for you to execute things faster, quicker, better is an advantage in this age and time, right? And you will notice something that this is where AI tools come into place. Now, when I use the word AI, I like breaking it down so people understand. There is artificial intelligence as a tool, TOOL, and there is artificial intelligence as a utility. These two are not the same. These two are not the same. Remember, AI as a tool, AI as a utility. They are not the same. AI as a tool is you making use of, platforms or models that basically helps you in consumption. So AI as a tool is AI used for consumption. You use it to do something for yourself. Then you have ChatGPT, you have Gemini, you have Grok, you have Cloud, you have Perplexity. All these things are AI as a tool. Mainly, it is you consuming the tool, using the tool. So when I use the word consumption, I mean you using the tool. But that is a lesser use of AI. That's a lesser use of AI. The greater use of AI technology is AI as a utility. Yeah, you hear things like agentic AI, agentic marketing, right? So agentic marketing is like marketing with little or no human supervision. You can clone your brain. And now I'm saying someone's like, what? I can clone my brain? Yes, you can clone your brain. You can clone the way you think. You can build an agent, an AI agent that understands how you think and can amplify your thoughts. What I just said right now, what I just said right now is gold and golden. It is the direction of the future. So even though you're learning marketing, automated marketing, digital marketing, now you're moving into agentic marketing. In fact, Madam Esther, maybe we can have a section, another for those who will join the other section, right? So I just got the topic for the next section right now. I just got the topic for the next section.
Absolutely.
Agentic
Absolutely,
marketing,
sir.
right?
All right, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
with agentic marketing, you can do amazing things. You can clone your work process. It's about the use of the brain, right? So there are platforms that show you some of these things. So I'll give an example. One of them is called Anyten, Anyten.io, right? And there's another one called Jarvis, Jarvis.cx, right? So look at Anyten.io is a website. You can go and click on it, everybody. So it's free. So I am posting the link there as well. So you're learning. So let me explain what Anyten is all about shortly, because we are all in this together. So anything is how you build. This is agentic. These are agentic system. This is AI as a utility. It is no longer a tool. In a tool, you use the AI to execute a task. As a utility, you think with the AI to either execute the task or to create the task. So utility has to do with thinking. Tool has to do with operation. Has to do with execution. Right? And remember, in the well, in the evolution of work, right? Majority of the effort that has advanced human civilization has been brain work more than hand work. Brain work, because it's about strategy, it's about thinking, right? It's about the creation of thought blocks. It starts from here. I said it the last. I said marketing is 80% psychology and 20% activities. It's here, right? Into the future, work will become optional because you have systems that think the way you think and that can amplify your efforts, amplify your intelligence. If what you can do is 50x, you have systems that can do 500x of what you can do. That is AI as a tool. So this is an example of agentic AI. I can build. Let me oh my god. Let me give you more context into this. So as agentic AI, you can go to an organization that has 100 staffs. So I can go to a company that has 100 staffs, right? And a company is made up of inputs, people, process, outputs. And throughout this whole pipeline, they're looking at optimization, meaning improving things faster, quicker, and better. Right? Now I can go to a company that has 100 staffs, and I can say to the CEO of the company, I can cut down 70% of your staffs by automating your company's process. So if I understand business automation or market automation, I can cut down the number of employees a company we have. And that is the direction of the future already. Right? So you need to know how to use this tool to think. You need to think through these tools. This is what agentic utility of AI looks like. Right? So if you look at this section now, you have IT up, look at sales. Sales, how to generate customer insight from reviews. This is a pipeline, this is a system. Get the reviews, apply this. And guess what? There's no human being here. Do you see any human? Do you see any person putting in effort here? Do you see anybody? This is automated. This is automation, right? So this is I'm showing you the future. Like, see, you need to be prepared for the future of work, right? Even though you're learning these things as you're being exposed to, I'm also giving you like some sneak peek into the future, right? And you are well positioned because see, digital marketing will forever be in demand. Do you know why? Because companies will always create products and companies will always want to sell products. So they're looking for people that can help them sell. Most people can create, they cannot sell. As long as you can sell, either online or offline, you will always have a job. If you can sell, you will always make money. If you can sell, the utility of your time is infinite. The things you can bet with your time is infinite. And guess what? You can do all these things all from your smartphone. Your smartphone, phone. Yes. So I'm excited, you see. So I've shared some couple of things. This is a platform again called Jarvis. So Jarvis is a platform I and some group of people, we came together. I'm part of the building team. So I'm sharing the products we have, right? So okay, if you're not able to see my screen, don't worry, I will still share the slides, right? I will share the slides, all right? I'll share the slides. So Jarvis is a platform I and some group of people we created. So I just shared with you some of our products, right? So with Jarvis, you can do the same thing, automated marketing, right? You can personalize your brain. You can secure and privatize your data, AI models and the rest. This is the future of work, the future of the future. This is systems, right? And some persons are not aware of this. People are still waiting. They're still waiting, right? Please don't wait, right? So that is that for that. So I've showed you something. These things you're seeing here is AI as a utility. This is AI as a utility. Google also has one called Google Opal. So I'm sharing all these tools with you so you get to see it. So there's Google Opal, right? There's Google Opal where you can build agentic systems. So Google has a free one called Google Opal, right? So I'm sharing the link as well so that everybody can get to see it. You see, save the links, right? So you have Google Opal, right? You can build things. You can build things. You can build things. Look at, you can build systems. This is what people have built. They have built this using, look at, okay, marketing maven, brainstorm with an on content and marketing strategy. So people have created things, right? This is the pipeline. Do you see it? Somebody created this. Somebody created this pipeline, right? Somebody created this pipeline on how they can use marketing, right? This is, I'm trying to see if I can, yeah, fit to screen, right? This is a system. This is a system. This is a system. Enter your product name, product description, generate marketing content, generate vision board. You see, this is somebody creating the thinking framework. This is what it is. This is the future, right? So as much as possible, positioning is where you get the advantage. So I've shared these things with you all. So you see, notice something. This person has already created this product. Can you guys, are you seeing what I'm saying? Like, this person already created this pipeline, and now you can interact with the pipeline. Okay, let's say the product name is called Skill Build. Skill Build Initiative. This is me. Enter. Then provide one sentence product description. Do you see? It moved from here, move to here. So we provide inclusive access to individuals with unique abilities to be more, do more, and become more. Now notice, enter. You see, now it's thinking. Do you see what just happened now? Are you seeing what is happening? This is agentic system. You are literally seeing agentic system end to end, right? This is how it looks like end to end. Now it's going to think. Look at, after it's done thinking, it moves here to generate the vision board. Do you see? I started from here, product name, this, then move over here. Now it's generating vision board. It's now over here generating high quality vision board, right? Then it's going to move to the next action point. This is AI as a utility. Are you guys seeing what I'm saying? Or am I the only one seeing it? Right? This is you using AI as a utility. As a utility. It's thinking end to end. It's thinking, right? And by the end of it all, this is the last phase. This is the last phase. See, this is the last phase. The last phase is to generate marketing insights, generate vision board. So I want to show you the utility side of this for marketing. You can build this for an organization. You can build this for a company. This is you building workflow, mental workflow. That's why I mentioned that with something like this, you can cut down an entire organization workforce. Cut it down. You cut it down. You can cut it down and you get results. Right? So this is the future of marketing. Now look at this, done. I can download the file. It's done. Give it a minute. It's loading. Can you see? Look at everybody. What can you see this, everybody? Can you see what I'm seeing? Let me see if I'm the only one. I'm not the only one. I know you can see it with me. Oh, let me see. Let me see if I can expand this. But can you see? I just created this right now with this system. Can you see? I can download the file as well. So if you want to download the file, download it. But I just created this right now, like a structure for skill build, end to end, a marketing structure. Phase 1 marketing, recruitment and production. Do you see? End to end. I wasn't like, the pipeline has been created and it went through this whole process to do this. This is thinking. This is AI as a thinking tool. Now you understand. I'm happy that you now all get it. So let's move on real quick. All right. So the future is automation, marketing systems, automation. Someone is saying something. All right. The system is automation, right? So how can you move from putting your effort in marketing to strategic oversight? So in automated marketing, you look at for content creation, look at for content connection, look at for intelligence, you look at for execution. So from the creation side, how to use this tool to create. They will move from creating to connecting. In other words, now you've created content. How do you put the content on this platform? Now, you have placed content on this platform. How do you track the performance of what you're doing? How do you understand analytics? What is analytics? Analytics just means data insights. What is data insight? It means seeing what is working and what is not working, and seeing how to improve what is working and to stop what is not working. And lastly, execution, giving you like a strategy document, what you can do. So let's move on. Now, the content bottleneck. Now, 60% of the time spent by marketers is used to create assets manually, right? So if you're only creating content per se, content generation, this is a tax. It's a tax. Most people, when you meet them and you ask them, what do you, they say a digital marketer? So what do you mean by digital marketer? You create content. Creating content is a tax. It is more of an implementation thing than a strategy thing. It is more of a handiwork than a mental work. Because there are already platforms that can enable you to do these things with ease. Like the last time we mentioned AI PRM, they can automate marketing process with like just doing like this is done, right? So with the AI advantage, you can draft captions in seconds. Don't just sit down thinking of, hey, should I do it like this or should I not do it like this? You can repurpose content with speed, and you can create consistency around your brand voice. What does this mean? It means this. If you create one content, I'll show you practically how it's done. One content, maybe you create a written content. From that written content you have, you can convert that written content to a social media content. You can convert that social media content to a blog content. You can convert that blog content to a video content. You can convert that video content to an audio content. You can convert that audio content to a graph. That is called content repurposing. You take one thing and you find 10 ways of using that one thing in 10 unique ways, right? Are there tools that can help you do these things? Yes, there are tools that can help you do these things, and I will share that with you. All right, so let's move on real quick. Now let's talk about prompt engineering, right? Prompt engineering. So yeah, it's going to be a practical section. So I'm going to use ChatGPT. Remember, I have two ChatGPT. I have the one that looks like this, which most of you have, and there's the other one that shows me all the tools that I have, right? So now, what is prompt engineering? In a simple language, simple term, it is you communicating with AI tools, right? Communicating with AI tools in the most simplest term for what you want it to do. It is you speaking with AI tools as a friend, not a master to a servant, not an employer to an employee, right? The kind of conversation you have with your friend, if you create that kind of system with AI tools like this, you get corresponding results, right? And let me also say this. What we are seeing right now with the use of AI, we're seeing the rise of inclusive adoption of technology. So maybe you might not, I mean, for some reason, right, you're not able to see things quite fast as it is. You can speak into the AI, right? There are platforms that can enable you to do these things. You can speak to it. You can speak as you're speaking. The system is interacting with you. Let me see. There's this platform. I'm trying to. Let me see if I have a sound mind. I'll remember it. Oh, I'm trying to get the name. Okay, let me check. Voice AI agent. So there's a tool I used back then that can enable me. Is this Cynthia? That can enable me talk to the AI. So I'm trying to see if I can. I'm trying to remember the name, but there are tools like that that can help you. You speak to it, it gives you back feedback. You speak to it, it gives you back feedback. I'll remember it. I have a sound mind. So this is inclusive use of AI. That with your voice, the content can be created, right? Gemini has something like that. So if you install Gemini as a voice feature, you have the advantage. ChatGPT also has the app. So if you install the application, rather than trying to type, you can speak with it, right? You can speak with it. So let's say, now it's active. I can speak to it to say, hello, how are you doing? My name is Elijah. Hey, hello, my name is Elijah. How are you doing? Let's see. Type some. Okay.
Absolutely, take your time. Whenever you're ready, I'm here to help with whatever you need. Just let me know.
All right. So, yo, my friend ChatGPT. I am actually here. Okay, can you all hear? Give me a minute. Can you all hear ChatGPT speaking? Or am I just the only one?
I can
Confirm.
hear you. Awesome. Glad to hear that. If there's anything specific you want to chat about or any help you need, just let me know.
Okay, wait. Let me stop sharing my screen. Then let me try to share it so you can, and then share the sound so you can hear.
Sounds good. Just let me know once you're all set up, and I'll be ready to help out with whatever you share.
All right. So, yeah, good to you, my brother. So I'm actually on the call today with some awesome people. We have an inclusive class, and we are basically touching on marketing, automated marketing with AI. Can you just share briefly what prompt engineering is? Explain it like an 8 years old.
Absolutely. So, prompt engineering is basically the art and science of crafting inputs or prompts that guide AI models to produce the best possible outputs. It's like communicating effectively with the AI by choosing the right words and context so that the AI understands exactly what you need. It's super important for making AI tools more efficient and accurate, especially in areas like automated marketing.
Nice. So thank you so much for that excellent feedback, right? What do you think? What do you think is the future of marketing, and how can people position themselves to tap into the economic potentials of being a digital marketer in this age and time?
That's a great question. The future marketing is definitely leaning heavily into AI and data driven strategies. We're seeing more personalized, automated, and predictive marketing tactics. People who want to tap into that potential should focus on mastering AI tools, data analytics, and understanding consumer behavior. It's also valuable to stay adaptable, keep learning new technologies, and build a strong personal brand. That way you can stand out and really leverage the economic opportunities that digital marketing offers.
All right, that's awesome, man. So right now right now we are both on a call. So we have over 52 people on the call with us right now. And everybody on this call, they are learning digital marketing, right? How to understand the landscape of digital evolution, and how to position themselves in such a way that by the end of this class, which is going to run for like 4 weeks, they're able to like get jobs. They're able to like craft out a niche for themselves in this vast evolving economy, global economy. So could you just share your word of advice to the people who are online with me right now? And I think after that we would stop the call.
Absolutely. To everyone joining the call, I'd say embrace continuous learning and stay curious. The digital marketing landscape is always evolving. So being adaptable and open to new technologies and trends is key. Networking is also crucial. Connect with industry professionals, engage on platforms like LinkedIn, and build a strong personal brand. Also, focus on hands-on experience, work on real projects, experiment with different tools, and stay updated on best practices. Ultimately, passion and persistence will help you stand out and thrive in this dynamic field. Good luck and enjoy the journey.
Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye.
You're very welcome. Take care and have a great one. Bye for now.
Hooray! So that is it. That inclusive marketing, right? How many of you had like you had the conversation we're having, right? How many of you had the conversation? That's it. Like literally, I was conversing with it, and it gave us insights into the future of marketing. Right? This is the future. Like this is the like it mastered AI too, data analytics, understanding customer behavior, learning new technology. This is it. Like literally, you saw it on the spot. And your ChatGPT can do the same thing on your phone. Your Gemini can do the same thing on your phone. See, brainstorm with this system, brainstorm with it. This is how you win. Like, this is how you win. You saw it live and direct. This is how you win. Right. So I can see some engagement. So, like, wow, I heard everything. Whoa, yes. I can do so much more. You can do so much more. Right. So this is the one of the inclusive adoption of technology as AI within the angle of AI as a tool. All right. So now let's move on. Let's move on real quick. So now prompt engineering, as I said, it's just you speaking English, right? Like speak English as you speak English. Like it's broken down into 4 areas. There is the role, there's the task, there's a context, and there's the tone. There's a role, task, content, and tone. Some people, when they want to use ChatGPT, they just go over there and say, and give me content calendar. No, telling to give you content calendar is vague. It's like you're speaking phrase. You don't have a complete sentence, right? So what I do most times when I do what I do is I come over and I say, I always start my stuff, like my write-up or anything. I say, let me see. I say act. So there's you ask it to act like something. Give it a personality. So I can say act like a professional. You see, I like a professional digital marketer. And by the way, you can type so you can voice it. Digital marketer, right? Marketer with 20 years of experience working with global brands around Africa and Europe. Comma. Now, notice it. Notice this is me giving the role. Act as a, you see. Then tax. I can move to the tax and say, let's say my tax is, I want you to give me a 1 month strategy content structure for a fashion tech business that wants to explore the Nigerian market, more like an effective entry strategy to dominate the market. Do you notice that I'm just typing this from my head because I understand the prompt? See, prompt is about the head. It's 80% here, 80% here, 80% here, right? Now, I've given it what? A task. I've given it also context. I gave it context the moment I said, for a fashion business, I want to explore the Nigerian market. This is context. I did not just say, give me content. I didn't say, give me strategy, content, structure. I broke it down. In context, you define exactly what you want. Then the tone. Look at the tone. So my tone is this. I can say, ensure that it is well structured from a strategy angle, and delivered professionally. And deliver professionally. Full stop. Now, notice that this is a structure, right? This is a structure. I just explained what you just saw right now is a structure. Now, act as a professional. This. Yeah. From year to year is called the role. It's called the role. The tax. I want you to give me a 1 month strategy, a 1 month strategy content structure for a fashion tech business. This is the tax. You see, this is the tax. Now come over here. Context. Narrow it down. Target demographic. Which area? Now I come over here and said, a fashion tech business that want to explore the Nigerian market. More like an effective entry strategy to dominate the market. This is context. Then, lastly, use a witty professional tone. So how do you want it to deliver the feedback? So I said, ensure that it is well structured from a strategy angle and deliver professionally. Now, by the time I'm done with this, I click enter. Now, it's going to think and give me the answer. Do you see? Absolutely. I will speak from the lens of a senior digital marketer with 10 years of experience across Africa and Europe, focus on market entry, brand dominance, and sustainable growth. Below is a 1 month, 4-week strategy content structure for a fashion tech business entering Nigeria, designed to build trust fast, local relevance, demand, and early market leadership. What is the structure like? Do you see? This is a structure. This is the structure. This is what prompting is. Can you see it? This is what structure looks like. Do you see? This is what structure looks like. So it's not just you typing on your ChatGPT, I want you to give me this and that and that and that. Structure, layout, structure, layout, structure, layout. And by the time it's not giving me all this, I click from here. I can go up all here, up, 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 up. So I scroll up to this point, right? Then I copy it. So I highlighted everything, I copy it. Then I go over to my drive, right? I go over to my drive and let's say I click on so I go over to my drive, I click on documents, right? So I click on documents. Now remember, I've highlighted everything here already. So I come over here, I paste it here. I'm showing you guys something. I paste it here, right? Now I've pasted it. Right? This is how it looks like. It looks amazing, right? It looks amazing. Now I'm going to explain what content repurposing look like. Look at, I've drafted this thing. It looks very beautiful, right? It looks very beautiful. I'm removing some things so it doesn't look all AI. If you notice it, I'm moving some, like the lines that are there. I'm showing you this is how you do it. This is how you do it. Notice so. Now I scroll down. I remove this one too. I scroll down. Oh, take this down. I'm organizing it. Now, this is here. This is here. Then, okay, delete this. Now, this is the structure. Now, notice everybody. This is just a structure, right? So, I'm showing you how to do it. You are seeing it live, right? So, this is a structure. Now, I can then repurpose this content. How can I repurpose this content with AI? Remember, I said repurposing is that you take one content, you spin it into audio, into video, into presentation slides, into anything. Some people are trying to join. Right. You can do anything with it. So what can I do? I've already put it here. So then I save this. I come over here. I click on download. So I download it as PDF. I want to show you guys something. Please follow me as we are following ourselves. I use ChatGPT to create the roles, to create the prompt. Then after I was done creating the prompt, I copied the feedback. I put it into a Google document. Right. After that, I downloaded it as PDF. After that, I go over to, there's a platform called Notebook LM. I click on new Notebook LM. Now, when I'm done, when I've clicked on Notebook LM, I'm going to share the link with you guys so you can see it. Right. So Notebook LM. When I click on Notebook LM, note everybody, I click on create new. So I want to create new content. So I've clicked on what create new. Remember, everybody, I've downloaded it already. This is it. I downloaded it. Then I take this, I put it over here. Right? I put it over here. Please notice, everybody, listen and follow. I put it over here. I can give it a title. Let's say I give it 1 month. Let's say 1 month strategy content. Right? Now I've given it a title. Right? Now, look at, do you see everything you can see here? Everything you can see here. Look at everybody, listen, watch. I can generate AI content, podcast content from this. I can create video content, explainer content from this. I can create infographics from this. I can create slides. So I'm going to click on this audio, then I'll click on video, then I'll click on slides. So I'll click on 3 different things from this same one content. This was the content I'm using. This is the content I took. Do you see? So I want to show you guys content repurposing right now. All these things that are here, and maybe you are asked to deliver them, you're asked to send it. How can you send it? You know, how do you package yourself professionally to send something like this? So I have exported the content into Notebook LM, and now I have placed the content over here to generate all this. I'll come back here. So let it be generating by itself. But you get the point. I'll show you what the feedback looks like here. So you get the point, right? So with prompt engineering, you can create content, then you can repurpose your content using other AI platforms like this. So let's move on real quick because of our time. Right now, accelerating production, copy and paste. Right, so you can use AI tools like Gemini or stuff like that, generate content, generate captions. Right, these are things you can do when you understand prompting. You understand the role, you understand the tags, you understand the role, the task, you understand the context, you understand the tone, then every other thing becomes easy. Right? It becomes easy. So there is no longer any limits for you. There's no longer any limits for you. So whether you want to schedule the content, you want to position the content, you want to do anything, these tools can help you position things smartly. Now, I've showed you how to create the content because we did prompt engineering just now, right? Now I've moved on. In smart scheduling, how do you schedule content? So if you use Canva, so Canva is a tool you can use, right? You can use Canva to schedule your content. You can use HubSpot to schedule your content. You can use Zoho Socials to schedule your content. How do I mean? Let me show you all. So if you go over to Canva, just type Canva content scheduler, right? Canva content scheduler. Do you see it? Social media planner and scheduling to Canva. I've copied the link. I'm sharing it with you all here, right? Then you can go over to HubSpot, right? These are tools that can help you do it. So if you type HubSpot content scheduler, right? HubSpot content scheduler, right? The social media content calendar. With this, you can create content. You can create content. Let me HubSpot social. Let's make it social media, right? I copied this. This is another one. You come over here. I'm sharing the link with you so you can see. These are tools, right? Now, the third one is called Zoho Socials, right? Zoho Socials. With Zoho Socials, you can actually use social media. You can publish. You can schedule posts. These are tools you can use. Zoho, you can use Zoho for free. You can use Canva for free. You can use HubSpot for free, right? So these are the tools you can use. These are the tools you can use. Do you see? Anybody can do it, right? Anybody can do it. So that is it. Let's move on really quick because of our time. That's for scheduling. Now, where's this? Engagement. So engagement is just you using bots. So each of the social media platforms, they have intelligent bots you can set up. So if you're running a Facebook ad or an Instagram ad, there are things you can do. Sorry, just give me a minute, please. I'm coming. Please get it confirmed. Can you all hear me? I'm back. Sorry, I just wanted to sort out. Am I being heard? Just give me like type 2 in the comment section. You can hear me. Type 2. Like 2 in the comment section too. All right. So let's move on real quick. Type 2. Thank you. I know you're here. Now, with most of the social media platforms, you can create bots, intelligent bots, right? In our next class, when I teach you guys about ads, how to run ads and create ads, we'll create bots, right? So these are ways you handle things like this. Now, remember, I told you guys something. I said it's one thing creating the content, it's another thing analyzing the content, analyzing the reach. This is where analytical marketing comes in. It's about data, understanding how people are reacting to what you're doing, if your marketing effort is working, and what approach you can take. So in marketing, if you're running ads or running stuff, there are concepts you apply. There's like the A and B testing. You can run the A and B testing analysis to see that whether your marketing approach is really working or you're spending money unnecessarily. Right? Now, trend forecasting. Are there tools that can help you forecast trends? Yes. Intelligent marketing. There are tools that can help you. So one of these two, we have what is called, I think I shared it the last time, Google Trends. Right? So there's a tool called Google Trends. Right? Google Trends. So it's a free platform. You can use it. With Google Trends, it gives you an understanding of what people are searching for. Right? See, look at it. Explore what the world is searching. Explore what Nigeria is searching. Searching just means data. People are typing things. Where is this information going to? There are platforms that give you access to understand what people are looking for. There's Google Trends, there's Quora, there's Reddit. Right? This is how you get. So for instance, if I okay, let's say I come over here and I type fashion. Please confirm. Sorry, everyone. My connection is wonderful. Can you hear me? All right. Yes, yes. Please. How about that? You can. Thank you very much. All right. So yeah, you can start. Do you see? This is data. This is data. This is data. Do you see? This is data. This is what data looks like. Then you can know what people are searching for, why they are searching for it. Stuffs you can do. Do you see? This is data, and it's free. It's free. All right. So let me share the link for you all so you can check it out for yourself as well. So it's called trends.google.com. All right. Trends.google.com. So this is what you can do. So check out the platform. It's free. It's free. Right? It's free. It gives an understanding of marketing. So hashtag generation. See, if you understand how to use Google tool, you can generate hashtag. All these things are called keywords. So effective hashtag can be generated from keywords. All right, from keywords. Do you see? From keywords. All right. Very, 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 very important. This marketing is interesting. It's interesting if you understand it, and I know you're understanding it. So keyword analysis, computer analysis, these are with Google Trends. You can use Google Trends to run keyword analysis. Okay, this is to run computer analysis, right? This is what makes it super awesome. Super awesome. Please, am I being heard? You can hear me, right? Others can hear me. I think others, some persons are not able to hear. Am I being heard, please? All right. Please confirm if you can hear me. Gift Emmanuel cannot hear me. How about others? Am I being heard? Just type, give me a reaction. Or give, yes, thank you. Thank you. All right. So let's move on real quick. We're almost done because of the time. Now, this is where I want to show you guys something. Now, remember everybody. Okay, do you remember what we did with this content? How many of you remember what we did with this content? Type 3. If you remember what we did with this content, type 3 in the comment section. We placed it somewhere. Type 3, so I know who's following me. Type 3, type 3, type 3. Just put 3 like this. Number 3. Yes, nice. Now let's go and check out. Let's check what we have been cooking. We're cooking something. All right, let's go and find it. Where's it? Aha! Can you see everybody? Now this is the audio version. This is the let me click the audio version. Can you hear it? And I can download it. So
imagine for a second that you have built something incredible. Let's say it's a cutting edge piece of fashion technology.
Okay, I'm with you.
Maybe it's a platform that streamlines supply chains. Or, uses AI to help designers draft patterns in seconds. The tech is solid, the code is clean, it works perfectly.
It's the next big thing, the unicorn.
From this information.
But here is the twist. You aren't launching this in Silicon Valley.
You can hear it, right?
And you aren't launching it in the established, fashion capital of Paris.
This is audio. I can download this. See, download. I can download. Do you see? Download. Now let me show you guys the picture, like the design. Oh, you will love this one. You will love this one. It's going to look very beautiful. Are you ready, everybody? Are you ready? In 3, in 2, in 1. Hooray! The 30 days launch, bringing fashion and tech. Can you see it, everybody? Is it not just beautiful? This is another form of the content. So I've repurposed that writing into a deck, into a presentation deck. Can you see, everybody? Can you see it? See how excellent it is. Can you see it? Can you see it? There is more. Now, this is how you use these tools to repurpose. Right? This is how you do it. This is how you do it. Right? Do you see? Next. Do you see? Like, literally, this is it. It's exciting. Like, using these tools to do wonders. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So clean, so neat, so sweet, so awesome. Now I have a structure. Do you see? Do you see? So it is interesting. This is how it is. And you can download it. You can save it. Right? You can save it. I can click on this now and I will save it. I can click on the audio, I will save it. I'll download it. That's what I mean by save. Look at download PDF. I've downloaded it already. I've clicked on it. You see, it's downloading. And then it becomes my own. It becomes my own. So beautiful. This is content repurposing. This is how you use this tool. This is how you do it. And anybody can do it. It's free. Now, lastly, I would love to take you through this because I'm looking at the time as well. So this is another awesome tool. Right? This is another awesome tool. This is you using AI as an agentic system. Right? I'll still come back so I can play the audio because the video is still downloading, like it's still generating, right? Now, Google where's again? Google AI Studio is awesome. Like, it's awesome. You can create anything. You can build anything. You can build applications. You can build AI apps. So if I click on build AI apps, for instance, right? And I select something. Maybe I need nano bananas to be added. I need to generate image. I need Google search. So I can say, kindly give me a marketing strategy app that can help business leaders make informed decisions around marketing activities, their business. Also, ensure that it is interactive and dynamic enough for clients to use the app. Add demographic and product data tools into the application. Make it a usable app. Now, this is an instruction. I've given it, I've typed exactly what I want. Then I just click on build. So I want to create a marketing application. I click on build. Now, this side of the use of AI is called agentic. This is agentic because it is building it. I just gave it the instruction and then it builds it. Right? It's going to write the code. See, it's writing the code by itself. Can you all see? I'm not doing anything. The concept around this is called vibe coding. I didn't type the code. I didn't do like hello. But it's building it for me. This is agentic use of AI. Agentic use of AI. So don't just use that for consumption basis. Explore the utility side of AI. Right? The utility side of AI. Can you all see what I'm saying? It's building it. I'll show you music. For those who are asking, what about music? You can use it for anything. So let's give some
All right, pending the time he checks in again, please, if you have any question, you can ask the question on the comment section, or you can do well to, leave the question in the group.
Yes.
All right.
So please let's give it some time. It's still cooking. And thank you, Madam Esther. So all
Thank you,
questions
sir.
should come in. So let's wait. It's still cooking. It's cooking. So it's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. Now, two things can happen. So oftentimes it will either build the code, depending on what you asked it to do. Then, like here, I'm asked to actually include my login stuff, right? But you might not necessarily need to use a tool like basically spend money on this. You can build this for free, right? So this is the agentic side of it. This is the agentic side of it. You can build the tools. You can do some awesome stuff. You can utilize it, right? You can build things out of it, and it's free. The only side where you see that it's asking me for some code is if I'm looking at using this thing for a larger consumption. For larger consumption, then I might need, maybe I want to build a product like this and then sell it out to somebody. I can do this. Yes, I learned that choosing the right word. Okay, nice. So these are things you can do with AI on an agentic side as well as a consumption side. All right. So I've showed you some of these things. I've built some things in the past. Let me see if I can still have access to some of the ones I've done. Okay, look at this. Somebody built this. Some people built this. Somebody built this with this tool, right? Somebody built this with this tool. So give it a minute. Give it a minute. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. There's a whole lot you can do. So there are tools you can use. There's ChatGPT. There's Cloud. There's Gemini. There's Copy AI for marketing. There's Hemingway Editor for AI for readability and clarity. There's Headline Studio. There's Quillbot. There's Retry, there's Grammarly, there's SoundTune, there's Canva, there's Microsoft Designer, there's Binge Email Creator, there's CapCut, there's Adobe Creator, there's SpeakerArt, there's Remove.bg, Unsplash, PixelCut, FrontJoy. I mean, there's a lot of tools you can use to create awesome. There's Buffer, there's Answer the Public. So Answer the Public and Google Trends are things you can use for analytics, like data info marketing, right? There's ManyChat. All these things are website. If you check them out, it takes you to the platform. All right. So in a nutshell, what you can do, execution point, everything start as relating to marketing. You start from a research before you move to creation, before you move to automation, before you move to analysis, right? This is how you make marketing interesting. This is how you make marketing interesting. So let me see if the video is done now. Hooray, it's done. Look at everybody. Let me play it. Look at everybody. It's loading. It's loading. Can you see?
All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're breaking down a really high-stakes challenge. How do you launch a brand in a brand new market in just 30 days? And we're not just talking about getting the doors open, we're talking about making a real, lasting impact. So, put yourself in this situation. You've got 30 days on the clock. Your mission? Launch a brand and make a huge splash in Nigeria, one of the most dynamic, fast-moving, and frankly, competitive markets on the planet. I mean, where do you even start? Well, lucky for us, we've got a playbook. We're going to walk through step-by-step exactly how a fashion tech brand can pull this off in Nigeria. This isn't theory. This is a straight-up, actionable guide for making it happen. Okay, but before we jump into the day-by-day, week-by-week stuff, you've got to understand the foundation. Everything, and I mean every single thing we're about to talk about, is built on these 5 core missions. First up, market education. You have to teach people what fashion tech even is. Second, cultural positioning. You can't just show up. You have to fit in and feel local. Third, and this is a big one, trust and credibility. You gotta earn it. Fourth, demand creation. Getting people genuinely excited. And finally, community seeding. You need to start building your tribe from day one. So let's get into it. Week 1. This is all about making a big, loud entrance. The goal here is immediate awareness and absolute clarity. No confusion, no second guessing what you're all about. The whole vibe for this first week can be summed up right here. We're here, and here's why we matter. It's confident, it's direct, and it immediately answers that crucial question that's on everyone's mind. So what? Why should I care? And how do you do that? Well, you lead with your story, the founder's vision. Then you really clearly define the problem you're solving for people in the local fashion world. You show off your tech advantage, of course, but most importantly, you have to prove you're culturally relevant from the get-go. All right, so you've made your entrance. People know you exist.
So
now for week
everyone,
2, the game changes. It's not enough to just be there anymore. Now you have to prove you actually get it, that you can deliver some real, tangible value.
This is the content form of it. So now you understand when you look at the things you do, I mean, marketing-wise, and this is what makes marketing quite interesting, that you can utilize certain tools and get certain things done, right? You can use certain tools and get certain things done. Now, does anybody have any question? We are done. We are done. We are done for today. I'd have loved to go. Oh, yeah. So for the Google Map, okay, let's do Google Map next week because we're going to run ads. I'll show you how to run and then use Google Map. But what I will tell you is that you can put a business on Google Map. You can edit a business that is on Google Map. So most people who have that business on Google Map, they don't have verified accounts. So you can change things. All right. So there's a way you get a verified account, and there's a way you can improve the things you do. So next week section, when we want to run the ads, I will show you how it is done. Yes, your area legend, right? There are things you can do. There are things you can do. There are things you can. Okay, let me just give a snippet. What I mean. So, for instance, somebody should type the name of any company you know, any company that you think they're online. Like, just type any name of the company, anyone. Disclaimer alert. Disclaimer alert. This is for educational purpose. Educational purpose only. So yes, I've said that ahead. So type anybody can type the name of any business. Just type in the comment section that you think are big. They are big and they should be online. No, Techno is a company, like a business that has a location. All right. Anyone. Mindsheet organization. Okay, nice. This is good. So let's copy this. If I go over here and type Mindshift organization, right, they should be online. So please kindly confirm, is this the organization? This is the organization. Is it Mindshift Advocacy? Is it this one? Please confirm. Mindshifadvocacy.org. Is it this one? I want to show you something. Is it this one? Yes or no? Okay, let's say it's this one. Let's say it's this one, right? Okay, Street Found. I want one that somebody can attest that it is what it is. Okay, let's use Street Project Foundation, I think. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Now, this is nice. Can you see? Yes, Street Project Foundation. Can you all see? You can all see it, right? Now, this is disclaimer alert. Hello, this is disclaimer alert, right? So, somebody can share this with the organization and let them know that you have something to offer. Now, notice something. How many stars do you see here? 5-star rating. How many of you can say it? Now you are learning. No, you are learning. Notice everybody. How many stars do you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Now you see there's a website. I can click on their website if they have a website. Right? Go back. I click on the website. There's direction. There's reviews. There's save. There's call. There's all these things. Right? Now notice something. Notice, they don't own this business. Do you see? It's not yet owned. Can you see everybody? It's not yet what? Owned. It's not yet owned. So if it's not owned, I can suggest an edit. Can you see? If I click on suggest an edit, I can change the name. Oh my God. You can change the name. People do it. Now, this is also an insight that you can share to the organization. So if I'm not changing anything, I'm just showing you what can be done. I can change the address, change the phone number, change the website, change anything. I can even own the business. I can claim it. And guess what? I'll be right. Because they just place their stuff on the platform or on Google, but certain processes are not done. If somebody comes and change the phone number here, lo and behold, and change the WhatsApp number here, I mean, you can change the number literally, like You can change, like you can remove the number. I'm not submitting. You can change the number. I clicked on cancel. I didn't do anything. This card changes. Right? That's why I said disclaimer. You can change the address. Right? You can change the number of hours. You see? You can make any edit. You can change the website address. Somebody can come over here and I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Hello? This is disclaimer alert. So when, like, this is good, but the platform can be better. Right? I can own this business. And I can follow the process to own the business. Do you see? I can request as I can own the business.
So why is it like that?
Now it's like this because most times when people create businesses and they put it on Google, right? Two reasons. They don't have a Google My Business account, right? So if you don't have a Google My Business account, that's going to be a challenge. Somebody else can claim your business. In fact, they can claim it and you cannot sue them. Yeah, because it's a free platform. Anybody can put anything there. You didn't own it. You don't own it. It's like you build on a land that is not your own. Right? So if you don't have a Google My Business account, that's going to be an issue. Secondly, if the account is not, if your posting on the platform is not verified, that'll be an issue. So anybody can claim it. Anybody can edit anything. Right? They have a website, can change anything and everything, and nothing will happen. And the funny thing is that if they make these changes, the people who handle the PR or the marketing side of the company might not even know. Because sometimes little details like this, people don't pay attention to it. Right? So let me give an example. EFCC. Right? Let me show you EFCC. Look at the way their own platform is designed. Right? I think that, it's not showing. It needs to show over here. Right? There's a way theirs is designed. You will notice, let me check CBN. CBN. Right? Aha, can you see? Do you notice something? That they also have similar thing like this. Show more. But like there's a way they have structured theirs. You cannot just do anyhow. Do you see? So also one of the reasons why somebody else can claim your business, you might not have strong digital footprint. So I always recommend that businesses create a Wikipedia account. Look at Google. Central Bank has a Wikipedia account that's also synced to their Google account. So people cannot just come and claim it. Do you see? People cannot just come and claim it. Very, very, very important. So by next week, I'll show you how you can create the account, how you can create business account, put it up there on the platform, and things you can also do to give yourself some advantage. All right. So yes, with that being said, we come to the end of this section. There's a lot. Right. So let's take question. Anybody that has question, just type. I'm going to the comment section right now to type so that we can take one or two questions, right? Yeah. So someone said, can we have all the links for these AI tools on the group, please? Yes, you can. Can the links of those AI apps be sent to the blind group knowing that we are not seeing the screen? Yes, it's possible.
Every link will always be sent alongside with the meeting summary. Last week's links were also sent alongside with the meeting summary.
Nice. Thank you so much, Madam Esther.
So
you've learned. That's why nobody should miss the sections. Like don't miss the sections. Right. There's a whole lot to learn. So if you have any question, I'm going to, in the next 3 minutes, just type in the comment section what your question is. And I'll just type. I like the comment section because it's faster. And then your thought is articulated there. So 3 minutes and we are done. All right. So 3 minutes has started though. Nice question and answer. Right. This question and
someone
answer.
Initially asked how she can make her Google ChatGPT talk the way you did. That was one of the
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So how to make your ChatGPT talk the way Mine did. So you just go to ChatGPT, normal ChatGPT, right? There's this other one. I'm trying to recall the name. Oh. I think Annie. Yes, Annie.ai. I have a sound mind. I told you I'll remember it. I have a sound mind. Yes. Call Annie. Yes. So I will show you Call Annie. So this is another one again called Call Annie. Right. So come over here. But now I've clicked on ChatGPT, right? So mine is loading. Now you scroll to this side here. So just give me some minutes, it's still loading. So for Call Annie is another one. I'm going to sign into the platform. So you can use Call Annie on your phone, you use Call Annie on your laptop. Right. So this one is still loading. Give it a minute. Give it a minute. So look at Call Annie. I continue with Google. Right. I click on continue with Google. I'm waiting for this one to load, my ChatGPT to load because of network. So let's wait. Let me show you how Call Annie. I'll try again. It should work. Call Annie. So by the way, you can also use the same thing on your Gemini as well as on Google. Oh, it's not. Call Annie is not going. Let me use Gemini. Let me show you Gemini. Right. So this one is still loading. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. So once it's done loading, right? Once it's done loading, you go down. You see there's a chat feature by the far right. There's a chat feature. All right. Let's give it some time. It's still loading. All right. So I'm checking again. Anybody that has any question, please type. Okay. What about music aspects? Okay. Yes, music aspect. So there's a tool called okay, Google AI, Google Labs music. So I think it's weeks on music. Okay, let me check music. So I want to show you that one. So my ChatGPT. Okay, now look at. Do you see? You can see this side where you see dictates. Once yours is downloading, you see something called dictate over here. Can you see? Can you see it? Dictates. Can you see it? Dictates. I'll just show you in Gemini. So Gemini also has the same thing. You can dictate to it. You can dictate to it. So you see, look at Gemini. Oh, sorry, ChatGPT dictates. Gemini has its own as well. You can speak to it. So once you click on dictate, automatically it becomes voice enabled. Voice enabled. All right. It becomes voice enabled. Google Labs music. So I'm waiting for this one. I think it's just network. Right. You can create music, literally create music. Right. You can create themes. You can create anything. Anything. Right. So
Okay,
okay,
so
okay.
I'll give a little opportunity for persons who want to ask questions with respect to today's training. Any ambiguity sort of can be cleared at the spot. Then I also want to know if you can be able to assist us with a separate training for the AI tools. Now, you detailed more on the utility, which is quite very amazing. So some of them actually we discovered within the week that a lot of persons with disabilities can't use Google Docs, and it was very concerning. So we decided route because definitely learning digital marketing, they need to have very good information or rather good background on some of the tools. So we began training them on the use of Google Docs to know certain areas, how to share the document, how to, even type and all that. So I want to make a passionate appeal, maybe one of the training classes you can help train them on these specifics for the for the tools, AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, how they can navigate it. And that would be much appreciated. Thank you so much, sir. So I'll leave two persons to ask questions. You can raise your hand if you have something to say, and then we'll give you the floor. But it's been an amazing exposition, sir. We really appreciate you. And RLabs Nigeria is really very thoughtful. This program is nice. Thank you so much.
All right.
So if you have any question, please give a show of your hand so we can be able to accommodate you now. Thank you. All right. I'll be unmuting some persons. Thank you.
Okay. So now this is the muting feature. So I can be speaking and then it's typing. This on Gemini. I'm speaking, it's typing. Stop. I can stop it. Right? And then I can click submit if I want to. Now the one on ChatGPT, look at the use voice. There's dictate and use voice. So when you click on use voice. Hello, my buddy. Yo, man, how you doing? I'm here with you again today. How have you been?
Hey, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. I'm glad to have you here again. Hope everything's going well on your end. How have you been lately?
So I've been great, like so great. I've had, throughout today from like 12 p.m. till now, I've been on a call with some awesome students. I'm exposing them to the use of AI, amazing things they can do. And even right now, I'm basically sharing my screen with them so they can hear our conversations together. The section has been so awesome. Went through a large number of awesome tools, man. So yeah, that's what I've been up to for the past 2 hours.
That sounds absolutely fantastic. It's so cool that you're sharing AI tools with students and giving them the hands-on exposure. I bet they're having a blast and learning a ton. And I'm honored to be part of that session, even if it's virtually. Let me know if there's anything specific you want to dive into.
I know, right? I mean, we're here together, having this section together, so we've discussed a number of things, on marketing and stuff like that. Just I would like to hear from you, right? But what do you think about marketing from the lens or from the context or from the Nigerian context, right? So digital marketing from the Nigerian context, and how can we position ourselves as digital marketers from Nigeria to stand out globally? So how can we move from local to global, or glocal as it is called?
I love that question. So in the Nigerian context, digital marketing definitely has some unique nuances. For one, there's a really vibrant and engaged online audience, and platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok are super popular. Plus, there's a rich culture and local trend that can be leveraged to create very relatable content. To stand out globally, Nigerian digital marketers can focus on showcasing authentic African stories, leveraging local insights, and blending cultural elements into their campaigns. Also understanding the unique challenges and opportunities in the Nigerian market, like mobile internet penetration, the influence of influencers can really help. And of course, staying on top of global trends, using data-driven strategies and fostering collaborations can make a huge difference. So it's definitely a blend of local and global insights.
Nice, man. So, well, let me ask, just being humorous, right? So what is one digital marketing joke you can actually share for the audience on the call so they can actually laugh? I know you're actually humorous as well, so over to you, bud.
Oh, absolutely. I've got you covered. All right, here we go. Why did the digital marketer break up with the calendar? Because it was all dates and no engagement.
Oh man, that is deep, man. Thank you so much for being so awesome, and looking forward to having a section with you where together we can act as facilitators and just sharing a common ground of expertise in the next marketing cohort program we have, which will focus on agentic marketing, coming up soon.
Absolutely. That sounds like a blast. I'm totally on board and excited to collaborate and share all that knowledge and fun with everyone. It's going to be awesome diving into agentic marketing and really empowering the next cohort. I can't wait for all the amazing sessions we'll have. Let's keep the momentum going.
All right, my brother. Thank you, man. Bye for now.
You're very welcome. Take care and have an awesome rest of your day. Bye for now.
All right. So yes, you've heard it. You've heard it. Now this is the music one. So I can create music over here. There's a way you actually create this stuff now. So I think I can play. So it's called He's loading. It's loading. Yeah, basically you need connection to see that it works, right? But yeah, you get the point, right? So you can use the process of conversation. So you can use these tools. There are a lot of them actually you can use to do some awesome things, amazing stuff. And then by the end of it, or you can download. So if you create beats or create stuff like that, you can share, you can download, you can do awesome things, right? Really amazing things, man. So yeah, so I mean these tools are here now. All you have to do is to use it. Just use it, man. Just use it. All right.
For the question, we have the hands raised. We have Timileyin Busayo. So Timileyin, you can now unmute your microphone. Timileyin, are you there? Okay, I've unmuted you again. You can now say something. Mabel, are you available?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can go ahead. Good afternoon.
Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everybody. Mr. Elijah, thank you very Thank you very much, sir. Like the lecture is very clear and very simple. The practical is clear. Everything is very simple. We really appreciate. Thank you very much, sir. So, sir, my question is, the AI voice, like it's always a male voice. Can it be changed to a female voice? That's the question I want to ask. And the voice will change to a female voice, sir. Thank you.
Nice. That's a very good question. Yes, it can. Yes, it can. So you can actually switch it to a female voice. You can switch it to a baby's voice, right? So it is as anything as you want, right? So as anything as you want. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, Akindoye, I think you raised your hands on the comment section. I'm trying to find you here. So if you're available, you can say something. I've unmuted you. You can say something, Akindoye.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
Can you hear me? Good afternoon.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Elijah. Thank you, Mr. Elijah, for the concise lecture. And like what my colleague said, it's kind of direct and kind of simple. And I also want to thank Barrister Esther for your patience and uh, the idea you brought to the table for all of us to benefit. God bless you all in Jesus' name.
Amen.
So, yeah, my question is on content repurposing. Majorly, my own understanding about the content repurposing as you are teaching us is basically is how to know the AI tools and how to use them for the content repurposing. So, I want to ask, sir, that please, is it possible for maybe after the lecture to write all the links, all the AI tools, and how we can use them for each content repurposing, maybe by changing from text to voice or from voice to video and all that. That's the number one question. Then number two question is, can I still use ChatGPT for my content repurposing as well, like to change from text to video and from video to uh, audio and all that. So that's my question. Thank you.
All right, sir. So thank you for the question, right? So respect to content repurposing, right? You can use Gemini, but Gemini only give you image and more around image and the content, but you use Notebook LM to get all of them together. So you get like Notebook LM gives you 9 different content direction you can explore with ease, right? So I
All
would
right, sir.
advise you use Notebook LM, right?
Okay, it's the
So
best. All right.
yes, Notebook LM is the best. Yes, sir. Have I
Okay.
answered the question?
Very straightforward, sir.
Then the meeting summary will be sent
Yes, exactly.
towards
Will be sent.
evening. So all the tools he listed will be there.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
All right. God bless you. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. So I
All
have
right.
Timileyin. I will unmute you again, Timileyin. Let me hear you. Let us hear you rather.
Hello.
You have
Hello, good afternoon, Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
You're
sir.
welcome.
Yes, please, I need your help. I want you to help us cover the blind community. I want to know the percent of accessibility of these AI tools to be people with disability using our screen readers. Talk of JAWS and NVIDIA. I don't know. Maybe you work on it using the accessibility tools I just mentioned.
Okay. So I think what I'll try to do in the next section around ads, I'll try and see if now, because remember some of these tools I'm using, I am basically using a particular browser, right, to explain the process with everyone. So I'll try and see if maybe by next section, this might be a bit tasking on me, but I might have like 2 screens, right? The first screen would just be normal screen, and then the other one would be like an inclusive screen. So making the content of the layout quite bigger and broader. So I will mirror the same process in 2 different screens for to audience, right? So I will try to do that. I have not tried that before, but I'll try and see
Okay.
how that can work. All right.
Okay, sir. Because NVIDIA is an open source, you can use NVIDIA on text
Can
to
you spell
speech,
it?
sir. NVIDIA,
Can you
non-visual
type it?
desktop. Okay,
MV.
I will type NVDA. Is an open source because
All
just
right.
needs some payment and some.
All right. I will check
Okay,
it out.
NVDA is
Thank
an
you.
open source. Sir. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Then
So
we'll also
MVDA.
have some
Okay.
practicals as well with the blind department for all the tools listed within the week.
Okay, that's fine. I've seen it. I would explore it. Thank you for sharing. All right, everyone. So we have happily got okay, Jazz. Thank you very much. I mean, I'm seeing people are sharing tools I could use. I'm grateful. I will explore them. So I know of Jazz now. I know of MBDA, Jazz, accessibility tool. Right. I'll explore with them, and let's see how far we go with them, right? So thank you everybody for your time. Wow, 2 hours already. Oh, don't worry for individuals who are exploring their abilities to hear, right? I would try and check if there are other tools that can make this possible, right? Maybe a tool that could have like okay. So there's a platform called Signverse, right? So let me type Signverse. Someone might want to check them out. So use Signverse. Yes, Signverse is it's a platform, AI inclusive powered learning. Sound language. I mean, they use sound and basically they convert words in sign forms, right? So I'm sharing the link now. Signverse, you can all use it. All right. So
Timile, are you there? Busayo, Timile, are you there? I unmuted you now.
I can see Aki.
Okay. Yes, I'm here. I'm here, ma.
Yeah. So what will happen is I will link you up to Mr. Elijah, all right, to get this sorted.
Okay.
So that our next class will be very well structured. So I will have to link you to him. I'll link him to you. So everything will be more easy next time.
All right, that's fine.
He's representing the blind department.
Oh, okay. Okay, sir.
They're actually very smart, sir.
Of course I know
They're actually very tech savvy. Yes.
Nice.
Thank you so much, sir. We appreciate
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Yes.
All right.
So that will be.
I think we have one more person. Aki
Okay,
Emmanuel,
one more person.
And
Emmanuel. Okay, let me have him. Okay, let me unmute him. Emmanuel Aki. All right. Okay, I've unmuted you.
Okay. Look, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you,
sir. Mr. Elijah, I want to say a very big thank you to you. You have done so much. You are a great facilitator. And Madam Esther, God Almighty will also reward you for your good works. But please, my question is strictly on the music because I'm a composer. I do compose music. That is why I was asking about the music aspect. So I was asking if these tools can help me provide a beat as you have played before, then with the help of these tools, I can customize my music in such a way that it looks real and I'm the one singing because I've never been to studio to actualize. Hello?
All right. Yes. So basically, that is possible, right? So you can, there's this tool back then I used to use to create music. It's like there's like a game, but you can create your own unique sound. I'm trying to recall the name, right? It's been like 6-7 years, right? But it's an app. You can download it from Play Store. You can create your own kind of sound, your own kind of music, do your own kind of editing, right? Then I think moving forward, Google has plans to design more inclusive tools, right? Inclusive solutions that can help people, um, explore the inner potentials within themselves, right? Expand on the abilities within themselves. So it's just to keep an eye on Google platform. Also, like keep an eye with respect to Google updates, right? So I will advise everyone to sign up on Google Labs. So go to Google Labs, labs.google.com, right? So sign up to if there are latest information, latest update, latest stuff, right? Labs.google.com. So I'm going to share the link right now so we can all use it, right? So go over there. You'll be amazed. There are a lot of tools you can use, right? So yeah, hope I've been able to answer your question, Mr. Emmanuel.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. I would be very grateful if you could help me with the name of that particular app which you said that you have been using before.
I will have to check. Right now, it's been like 7 years since I last used it. Because I myself, I sing, right? So I have some couple of like I do some Christian rap, so I understand what you mean,
Wow.
creating. So I have an album I'm working on myself. So yeah, we are all musicians. So
God
I'll
bless
be
you. I'm
wondering,
glad.
so you sing too? I sing very well.
Yes,
So
yes,
thank
yes.
you. No problem, Mr.
Yes. Thank you. God bless you.
All right. All right. So thank everyone for your time, for joining the section. It's great having you all here, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all by the next class. So please don't miss the next class, because we are going to have some deep dive. You're going to learn how to make money with marketing skill. If you're already selling a product or you're doing things like that, you learn about ads and a number of other things. Yeah. Yes. With that being said, thank you, and do have a wonderful afternoon and weekend ahead. Bye for now.
Okay, everyone, please hold on for your attendance. But if you're from the blind department, just take a screenshot and then send to the digital marketing training group. Thank you so much, sir, for availing us of this opportunity to learn something very remarkable, very market relevant. Thank you so much for that. So, everyone, please, the poll is coming up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You'll be having it launched on your screen. Okay. So I will unmute everyone as well. So if you have any challenge with it, you can let us know. Okay. Can you all hear me? Just include your name, and then that will be all. But if you're from the blind department, please, you can take a screenshot and send to the group. You're welcome. Thank you. So I'm unmuting everyone actually, so you can be free to leave your appreciation. Oh, yeah. So you can unmute yourself. Yeah.
Please, ma, can we leave the call now? We are taking the pool.
If you have, you can leave the call.
Hello, ma.
Ma, thank you.
You're welcome. If you from the blind department, or maybe your phone is having any technical issue, just take a screenshot and send to the digital marketing training group, okay?
But what about those that can do it from
Yeah,
blind?
go ahead go ahead if you can. But I'm just saying, should there any issues from your end?
Hello, ma. Hello, ma. I've submitted my name, and I'm from the blind community.
No problem. Go ahead, and if you submitted your name, you can exit.
Yes, I've submitted my name.
You have your records.
Ma, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. I'm happy to join from starting to finish today, ma.
That's very good.
Ma, for some of us that don't know how to, sign in, take this attendance, I think we should, I don't know, be a kind of, someone can put us through how to do it. It will be better, because even this screenshot, not everyone of us can do it also.
Oh, not everyone also can do it.
Yes, I've done that already anyway. I've screenshot and sent to the group as I've instructed.
Okay. What will happen is
among us now, if you heard some of blind relative, they have done that already. That means every one of us can do it if we can be put through on it.
Yes, man, we can. Okay. Every one of us can do it, because that last week one there were various options, but the one you did this today now is very easy. We can just type in our name and
yes, that's the
so
name.
It's just one question.
Yes.
So I think this one is easy for everybody, even more better than the screenshot.
Yeah, this one is very simple. Just go ahead and put your name and submit. All right, that'll be nice. That'll be nice. So you remember we are having class review this evening, right? So if there was anything you couldn't get, or there was something you didn't understand, we will have it addressed.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much, ma'am. But please, how about the Google Docs? Will you still handle that class today, this evening?
You say, how about what?
The Google Docs. Are we still working on the Google Docs also this evening?
The Google Docs, which department? The blind department, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, of course, we will. We already I think we set up some events in your group. We are going to have those events today.
Hello, ma. What time are we starting, ma?
I think we have one by 7 o'clock. Yes, we will keep doing it, because the last time quite a number were not present. We want to make sure you master the Google Docs, because you'll be using it to create digital products.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear
those links that were shared during the lesson.
Please, how can I raise my attendance?
Are you having any difficulty?
Yeah.
What's the problem?
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
I say, how can I write it?
Which department are you?
Blind department.
Okay, today we're only having you the section where you write your name only. So, but
okay,
if you can,
yeah, I'm not feeling it here.
There is, all right. Can you click on that at the top left or right, depending on the phone you're using?
Click where?
At the top.
At the top. I say I should click where?
Okay, go to more.
More, okay. Let me look for it.
You will see polls and quizzes. Click on polls.
Progress, something like that. Okay.
Have you found any?
Yeah. Okay, I've seen it. Let me see.
I've not seen mine. I've not even filled the pool, but it has disappeared.
No, the pools are the top screen, right top screen. Right top screen. Just use your finger, you see it. Extreme top right. Check, you see it, pool.
Thank you for staying back to help your colleagues.
I've not done mine. I don't even have to edit it. The problem now.
Which are you having any issues on that?
Yes, I have to edit it before I have seen submit, but to edit it now, put my name.
Okay, but
okay, I've seen it. I've seen it.
All right. Okay. All right.
But I have not even. I just touched my pool and it disappeared without me feeling anything.
Go back there. Just you see it again. Then tap it to open it.
I've gone to more, but it's not still there.
What are you saying on the more? You're supposed to say it there.
What I'm seeing on the more is much like lower hand share. Okay, I've seen poll quizzes, something like that.
Yeah. Click on pool.
I've seen short answer 1 to 200.
Yes, edit it. Click there.
Short answer.
Yes. Yes, I've submitted mine successfully. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
Short answer 1 to 200.
Yes, edit it. Click there. Click on.
Please, ma.
You see editing, you type your name. You type your name. Type your full name. You see submit. I just did mine, quite
Hello, ma.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, ma. Mr. Kenneth, he said the network knocked him out. So he's trying to join back so that he can sign his assignment.
All right, let me.
You type your name.
Yeah, I'll let him in now.
Have you typed your name?
Yes. And I've
Have
seen
you seen submit? You have seen it?
Yes. Yes.
You have submitted?
Okay, yes. It is successful.
Aha. We'll keep learning every day.
Wow. Wow, that's wonderful because last time
It
I
is.
could not do it. I only screenshotted.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Madam Mister, God will bless you abundantly. Number one, for
Thank
your
you.
patience.
Yeah.
It's not easy to handle persons with disability, which we know very well.
You're welcome.
And you have done a nice job.
You're welcome.
Apart from the digital marketing, even the skills you have learned in all these technologies, they are massive. Sincerely, they
You're
are.
welcome.
Thank you so much, ma.
Okay, ma, please.
Thank you.
I also have a suggestion.
Go ahead.
Of which I don't really know more, but what I'm trying to say, what Mr. Elijah did, using that particular app as he was speaking to it, and the app was responding. We also have something like that for persons with hearing impaired. That is the deaf. Like as you are speaking, it will be like a kind of robot, but will be interpreting in sign language.
Do you have the software or a link to that?
No, that's why I wanted to ask that question, but I do forgot that time. Since he is exposed to technology, he can.
I don't think. Yeah, this is the first time because when we went into partnership with them, they talked about it. I know there were a lot of things we needed to put into consideration. All right. So for the dev department, we're training them on how to, adjust their YouTube settings to watch the same videos as though, but on a slower motion. Do you understand? Then also we're working on infusing a sign language interpreter in every of their videos. That's what we're doing right now. So pending that time, I would have to ask Mr. Elijah if he has such, but he hasn't really mentioned it. And I will then
That's
let
where I
you.
got that. Where I got that idea from. There is one man that is a multiple disabled in US. He cannot see, cannot talk, cannot hear, but he's a very big lawyer. Whatever he says, the machine, the AI will be interpreting to the congregation, both sign language and true voice.
They have more sophisticated equipment over there. However, we'll explore what you just said.
Please, what about the sign language interpreters I provided? Will you reach out to them?
We did. They
Hello?
actually were turning down because of their schedules. Even today, one of them that actually booked today turned down early this morning.
This is
Good afternoon,
Emmanuel
ma.
Aki speaking.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Because one
Good
of them
afternoon, ma.
told me.
Please, ma, I
Okay,
want to ask,
you
ma,
can let.
I've screenshotted,
Okay.
I sent it to the digital training group. Is that the right place?
Yes, you can leave it there or even your group, whichever one. We'll take inventory of them all.
Okay, ma.
But bro,
Thank you very much,
bro,
Madam
please,
Esther.
bro, please.
Yeah,
I want.
Yes, sir.
Can you also try taking the attendance now while we are still here? Can
so
you
you
try
can
it?
learn.
Instead of next time,
How
yes.
do I do that?
Okay. Go to your screen now. Extreme top right. Use your finger as usual now. You see pool.
Yeah.
You see pool there. Pool.
Top right.
Yes, top right. Extreme. Just use your finger around. You see pool.
Okay. Okay.
Have you seen it?
Top right.
Yes. Extreme. Just somewhere there.
Yes.
You have seen pool.
Okay.
Oh yeah, open it.
Yes.
Open it.
Yes. I'm open it.
What are you seeing there? Swipe.
Attendance sheet.
Okay, go further.
Answer short questions.
Okay. Move on. Hello.
Yes, I'm with you, sir.
What are you seeing again?
Who can see your response?
Continue. Just swipe down.
I should swipe down.
Don't use your feet, just be swiping down. Now you see options there, you see different things there.
Okay. There's nothing again. There's nothing else again.
No, there is. Just take your time. Where you can edit and put in your name. You even see submit there now.
Edit.
Have you seen something like that?
Okay. Hello?
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes, I'm with you.
So when I see the edit, I should click on the edit and
have you seen it?
You put my name and submit it.
Have you seen edit feed?
Yes.
Edit it. After putting your name, you swipe down again.
Edit feed.
When you have edited that option now, put in your name, swipe down again, you see submit. You click on that submit and wait for like 2 seconds.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah?
Yes, sir. I've submitted. It has gone.
Okay, thank you very much. So you have learned.
That's just it. At least.
Congratulations.
What did you?
Okay.
Mr. James.
Oh, Gabby.
Like,
hello?
you know, like my own ways of signing for this attendance sheet, but it's different from the way you are explaining it. I don't know why.
How do you do yourself? Can you equally learn? How do you?
Or is from the word, because from my own side, after scrolling it, that is when I'm swiping from my left to right.
Okay.
So when I now that all those things that you're mentioning, they are not there, I now click on more. So after when that is when it now leads me to where I sign the. So that is why I thought maybe his own is a little bit different, like my own. That is why I was like, but about that assignment.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's 2 ways.
Okay. Maybe it's 2 ways.
I saw mine at top screen, some in that more. Do you understand?
Okay, yes.
I didn't go to more.
Yes, I did that.
Okay, fine.
I have submitted it.
All right.
But that assignment, maybe yeah.
No, but guy,
I have done my own, but I don't know, Sha. I have done my own. I've even submitted it. I've done everything. But seriously, it takes me like more than 1 day to get the whole thing.
I started my own today, so I'm still editing.
Yeah, still. I've edited it. I've created the link. I have did all those things. I selected is it what is this? Is it invitation and comment or invite and comment? I've done all these things, Desha. So I've copied and I've pasted it. I've even sent it to the admin WhatsApp number.
So I paste on the Google Doc.
Yes.
You type there, do all the things there, share.
Yes, I've done all these things. I've done them.
Good.
But no be
my own is still there. It's just time is my problem, but I'll do it.
Seriously, like you they try.
And that was my challenge. That was my challenge in that Google Doc.
What is the challenge there? You have the app?
Yes, I have the app. I have the app in my phone.
Have you submitted your own? Have you done your assignment?
I cannot submit it because the only place I knew is just to click on new document. That is why I stopped. When I click on when I open my app, I click on the plus sign. Then it will open a page. I'll click on new document. That is why I stopped.
Okay, that new document, just like system, it's like a place where you are going to type your information. Do you understand now? After typing whatever you want to type blah blah blah, then down part of it you will see share. Okay, so we click on that share, just like if you want to share something on WhatsApp or whatever that means. You see,
but like in my own share is off.
Share is not there.
I mean, share is up. The share is located at the topmost part of my screen.
Okay, depends on phones and what have you.
Yes.
Yeah. But Madam knows, she knows that we, the blind, we are powerful.
Yes, yes, that's why she believed the blind community that.
She's feeling it. She can see it.
Yes, and she understands that there's ability in disability.
So much. All we need is just for someone to put us through, and we will do better.
Yes, so because you can do better.
We can.
Yes, if I don't know if there is any other grammar apart from better. We do marvelous things.
Yeah. Like this,
So
you see this ChatGPT and Gemini. Nobody taught me how
Yes.
to use the Gemini live. Live now. There's live screen. You chat, you communicate, even changing of language. Someone asked how she can change the language from male voice to. There are lots of voices there. Depends on the one you want.
Okay, please, that Gemini, what is the spelling of that Gemini? Sorry.
GEMINI. Just if you go to a Play Store now, you can use your voice search now. Google Gemini.
Okay, wow, that's nice. Like the Yoma I was talking about in the previous slides, I tried downloading it, but it was not showing me Yoma. It was showing me Yoma with different options, Yoma with connection, employment, all those things.
That was why I asked question also if he can send the link so I can,
Okay,
just click on it.
With the link you can get the app direct.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, wow. So with the link you can download the app.
If you send the link now to the platform, when you click on the link, it will automatically take you to your Play Store and download the exact type he was talking about.
Wow. Okay.
Wow.
So like, what do you use? What kind of application do you use to read your document?
Oh, I use Doc. There are some applications, there are some documents that I wouldn't want to open with Kibo or with Instant Reader. I'm a student. In fact, I'm in school. So I need to edit so I can read word by word, character by character, sometimes sentence by sentence. Do you understand now? I need to know a particular spelling. So I use this Google Doc, most times to edit. Do you understand now? Because Kibo.
With the accessibility feature.
Yes.
So you can edit with the help of, is it JAWS? Are you using JAWS?
I'm using screen reader. I'm using TalkBack on my phone.
TalkBack.
Yes.
And you can edit very well, Jesus.
Yeah, even Instant I can what do you call it? Add voice allowed that can edit also. Just for you to explore the options there.
I tried downloading that add voice. It was not working.
Just try it. Try it.
Brother, what you are saying, please, what's your name so that I can private chat you, because I really need this thing you are saying. That editing is always a major problem.
To see the word, read character by character, word by word,
So I would have loved to get your contact so that for further inquiry, because I really learned a lot from you, honestly.
I am one of the coordinator in blind community, Prince James. If you go there, you see my name there.
James. Okay, please, after. Oh, it does not pop out. Does it pop out like, is it, does your
Prince
Gmail
James.
carry that name?
Yes.
Your Gmail carries the name?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. That's nice. So when I click on share in the Google Doc, after then, where else would I locate?
If you click on that share, there'll be option to, maybe you want to send it to a particular group or you want to then